Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of his recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. Number 9. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Number 8. Karal Kai Bedar Se. The series follows Kinan Baran, a successful businessman, in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self worth, while Kinan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 7. Qadir Landlord. Hijran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their 5 children despite countless sacrifices and hardships, while Hijran's boundless love and Arif's unwavering principles held the family together. Their children's selfish choices and betrayal led to heartbreak and chaos. A long awaited reunion with their estranged son Onur takes a devastating turn, leaving the family shattered by loss and adversity. Arif suffers a heart attack. The families rush to take Arif to the hospital, and tragically, in a car accident where Onur and his wife lose their lives, and Arif falls into coma. Rejected by their in laws, Hijran is abandoned in a nursing home, while Chinar and the children are left to fend for themselves. Hijran, her younger son Chinar, and her grandchildren must navigate a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hijran and Arif's resilience and unconditional love become the foundation for their struggle to reunite their fractured family. In the face of betrayal and hardship, they strive to prove that no challenge is too great when it comes to the bonds of family. Number 6. Sahib Sizzler, a story of 6 siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising 6 children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 5. Sya Kalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sivilai. Number 4. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Layla's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Layla's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. As Leila's thirst for revenge clashes with her rekindled feelings for Jivan, long buried family secrets come to light, forcing everyone to confront the wreckage of their past. Number 3. Yabani. Yabani follows the remarkable journey of Ali, who was abducted as a boy and ended up working for the gang that kidnapped him. After enduring years of hardship, Ali renames himself Yaman and escapes his captors to build a new, better life together with his three friends. Things are not easy for this new family, but they work hard and are able to leave their dark past behind. Through it all, Yaman somehow manages to keep his soul pure and never succumbs to the darkness that surrounds him. Things take a complicated turn when Yaman meets Ruya, a beautiful girl from the rich side of town. Her boyfriend nearly overdosed, and it's up to Yaman to save him. He delivers Ruya's boyfriend to his mother, who is a senior physician. Later, after the boyfriend beats up Yaman's best friend in retaliation for exposing his drug problem to his mother, Yaman goes to his home to take revenge. That is when Yaman realizes that Ruya's boyfriend is his brother and he is actually Ali Soislan, the boy who was kidnapped 15 years ago. Number 2. Khan Chichikleri. Khan Chichikleri tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end the blood feud despite the hostility of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love or bring devastation. Baran must push aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother. As he seeks to bring peace to a family vying for revenge, Destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has tracked down those who attacked his parents, but his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying a trap and is actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. Number 1. Isarat. Orhun is a successful businessman who was raised in a wealthy but loveless family along with his twin sister Nihan, younger sister Nursha, and their killed distant mother Afife. Some time ago, Nihan left to do volunteer work as a doctor in Eritrea, but recently she has been impossible to contact and her family is worried about her. Orhun decides to go after his twin sister and bring her back home. While looking for his sister, he comes across Hira, a poor girl living the life of a prisoner at the hands of traffickers. When they find out that Nihan has been poisoned and killed by a local gang, Orhun breaks down when it emerges that it was actually Hira who was set up by the gang and poisoned his sister. Orhun hatches an evil revenge plan. He will take Hira home with him, but rather than serving him from life as a prisoner, he will make things even worse for her. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.